Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes, and today we will start new chapter, that is sports equipment. Page number 44, chapter 30. So everyone, you all know the meaning of sports, that is games, and equipment means the necessary items for a particular purpose. Okay, that means sports equipment means the necessary items for a particular purpose, that is for the sports. Okay, items needed for the sports. There are different equipment required to play different sports. So in order to play different kinds of sports, what we need is different equipment, that means different items. Okay, for each game we need different items. Here are given different sports equipment. Identify them, write their names and also the name of the sports in which they are used. So you can see here in the picture of different sports equipment. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to identify those equipments. Okay, and you have to write the name of the sports in which these equipments are needed. Okay, so number one, you have to see the picture and you have to identify. So what is this? This one is bat and cricket ball. Okay, this is ball, bat and ball. So and this equipment is needed needed to play cricket. Okay, so in order to play the cricket, what we need is bat and ball. So number two, so this one is racket and tennis ball. Okay, and when we need this equipment while playing tennis. Number three, golf stick and ball. So when we need this equipment while playing golf. Number four, basketball and hoop. Okay, this is ball and hoop. So when we need this basketball and hoop, when we have to play the basketball. 5 is swim fins. So when we need this equipment when we go for swimming. 6, this is chessboard. So when do we need this equipment? While playing the chess. 7, this is dumbbells. So when do we need this? While weight lifting. Okay. Number 8, this is stick and ball. So when do we need this equipment? While playing the hockey. And number 9, this is cue stick and pool balls. Okay, this is cue stick and this is pool balls. So when do we need this equipment? When we go to play a pool, that time we need this equipment. Okay. So next is chapter 31, page number 45, adventure sports. So you know, sports means any games. Okay, or adventure means an unusual and exciting or daring experience. Okay, adventure means an unusual and exciting or daring experience. Adventure sports are the sports that are exciting and can be rather dangerous. So these adventure sports are very exciting. Okay, exciting as well as dangerous. Exciting means if something is exciting, it makes you feel very happy or enthusiastic. And dangerous means likely to cause harm or injury. Okay, they bring in a lot of excitement. So this adventure sports gives us a lot of excitement. Okay, Such sports need proper training. So in order to do these adventure sports, what we need to do training. Okay, so if you are trained, then only you can do these sports. Okay, these are very risky sports which need courage and proper guidance. So and these adventure sports are very risky. Okay, and without proper training you cannot play these adventure sports. Okay, go for adventure sports. So in order to do this, what you need is you should be courageous. That means you should be brave. Okay, and proper guidance is needed. Guidance is a process through which an individual is able to solve his problems and pursue a path suited to his abilities and aspirations. Okay, match the following sports with their names. Number 1, a driver drives a racing car at a very high speed. So what is this? You have to match. Here is the answer: Formula 1 racing. Number 2, a person pushes a heavy glider over the cliff and hangs in the air. So what is this? This is called hand gliding. 3, the person jumps off the cliff or high hill with a long elastic rope tied to his leg. So what is this sports called? Bungee jump. Okay, bungee jumping. 4, one waves a piece of red cloth before a bull that charges, and this sport is called bullfighting. 5, a person rows or paddles the boat down the turbulent river. So this sport is called river rafting. 6, one rides on the sea waves while balancing on the boat. That is called surfing. So next chapter is chapter 32. Topic is Indian Sports Awards. Page number 46. The Government of India has instituted awards to recognize and honor individuals and teams for their excellent performances at the national and international level. So the Government of India has given them the award, okay, to recognize and honor the individuals and teams for doing excellent performances at the national level as well as international level. So the awards are Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Dronacharya Award, Dhyan Chand Award. Number 1, this award is given by the Government of India for excellence in sports coaching. So the Government of India gives this award for excellence in sports coaching. Okay, this is dash. So this award is called Dronacharya Award. Okay, this award is named after the guru of Arjuna in the Mahabharata, and this award, okay, Dronacharya Award, okay, this award is given the name after the guru of Arjuna in the Mahabharata. Number 2, this is India's highest honor for achievements in sports. This award is named after a former Prime Minister of India. So who was the former Prime Minister of India? Rajiv Gandhi. So in his name only this award is named, okay, and this award is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Okay, this is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Number 3, this award is named after a legendary Indian hockey player. This is India's highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games. So this is Dhyan Chand Award, and this Dhyan Chand Award is the lifetime achievement award, okay, in sports and games. And this Dhyan Chand Award is named after a legendary Indian hockey player. Number 4. This award is named after a mythological character from the Mahabharata. This award recognizes outstanding achievements at the international level. This is dash, that is Arjuna Award. Okay. So next, chapter 33, page number 47, topic female force in sports. So match the sportswomen with their achievement. So these are the sports which was played by the women force. Okay, we have to match the sportswomen with their achievement. That means with whatever these sportswomen have achieved, we have to match these sportswomen with their achievement. A. She has won 31 gold medals for rifle shooting. So the answer is 1. Okay, number 2. This lady has won 31 gold medals for rifle shooting. And number 2. This lady, she was Indian female Grand Chess Master, ranked number 3 in the world. Number 3, this one. She has represented India more than 75 times in international competitions. Number 4, first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal for wrestling. Number 5, first Indian archer, ranked 13 in the world. Number 6, first Indian woman to reach Olympic finals. Number 7, first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver in badminton. Number 8, first artistic gymnast to represent India in Olympics after 52 years. Number 9, Indian female boxer known as Magnificent Mary. Chapter 34, page number 48, topic Olympic Games. Find the names of the sports played in Olympics in the following word maze and write the names in the space provided. So, here what we have to do is, you have to find out the names of the sports which is played in Olympics. Okay, then you have to write those names in the blanks given below. Okay, given here below. So number 1 is badminton. Okay, badminton, badminton. And number 2 is tennis, tennis, tennis. Okay, number 3 is rugby, rugby, rugby. Number 4, golf, golf, golf. And number 5, judo, judo, judo. And number 6, fencing, fencing, fencing. Number 7, diving, diving, diving. Number 8, hockey, hockey, hockey. Number 9, shooting, shooting, shooting. Number 10, archery, archery, archery. And here is the fact, okay, truth. Michael Phelps won 23 gold medals at 2016 Beijing Olympic swimming. As we already studied in the previous lesson that Michael Phelps won 23 gold medals in the year 2016, that is in Beijing Olympic swimming. Avinav Bindra is the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics. So, Avinav Bindra was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in Olympics. Rajyavardhan S. Rathore is the shooter who won the silver medal in 2004 Olympics, and in 2004 Olympics Rajyavardhan S. Rathore. He was the shooter and he won the silver medal. Okay. And whatever the works are there, I will send all through the WhatsApp. So what you have to do is you have to write all the answers in your books. Okay. So thank you, students.